that JJ over there? Just want to make sure everyone knows I'm here.
Didn't figure I'd have time, but I could have obviously done it today.
I forgot I'm still wearing. I saw this at a gas station on the way up here last night, and I was like, I have to own it.
Seems like a quality purchase.
Yeah, because like I saw it, I'm like, oh, that's going to be like $25-30. I'm like, but then it said $9, and I was like, oh, it's worth to look funny just for a little bit. Great. Oh, there's the hit. Oh, and you're hooked nice. There we go. Oh, for people watching the video, I'm here fishing with Kayak Catfish. We're doing. I completely forgot this on. I'll show some of the fish that I've caught. I'm here crappie fishing with Kayak Catfish the day before our Not Marine National event at Hoover, slaying some bait. We're probably going to end up using the crappie for bait. This video will be coming out after the tournament, so I can say that, no problem. Oh, there we go. This guy seems good. Man, this is a good one. Man, and he inhaled it. Yeah, right here, this is probably the standard size at East Fork you'll probably get, normal. And this ain't a bad, trolling cranks. This ain't a bad fish at all. Oh, here we go. So I am a YouTuber, so what we're doing out here is we're trolling at about 0.4, 0.5 with about 1.5, 2 feet down to a minnow using a 16th jig head, I think, and we're catching crappie. Oh, that bobber's gone. Oh, son of a... That bobber's gone too. Whew, that's a real good one.
Look at him go.
Get it, Harmon.
I take it on.
Face. I mean that with love.
98 degrees, roasting in the summer sun. Redneck collar boy, girls, you better get you on. Hard work, callous hands, he's in his element. He's the baddest son of a bitch, that's his testament. Blue collar swaller. On the farm all day long till the moon shines. Monday, Thursday, he's a burly working 5 to 9. When Friday rolls around.
Oh no! 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 No!
What did you just do?
I just spooled myself. I forgot to click the and my... No! Thank God mono floats.
Oh, it's all the way off.
Yeah, it's not on at all.
Yeah, it pulled all the line off. Ronnie said put it down. He said he still loves you, but what a dumbass.
Pickup loaded up, ready to throw it down. Blue collar swaller. Rednecks, roughnecks, spending weekly paychecks, cashed out, whiskey up.
He literally had to back up and go get the end of the line, and now he's standing up trying to put it back through the eyes of the rod.
Dixie cups out here in the hollers, spending hard-earned dollars.
All right, time to re-spool my line. Oh, oh wow. Oh no. First hit. Here we go. There we go. Still on. They're still on. There we go. Oh wow. That feels good. That feels like a good hit. Oh, he's making a run. This is on the Channel Cat rig. Ironically, so this is on the Channel Cat rig. I have two 5/0s on this. It's a crappie and a wiper. The wiper was on top. The crappie's on bottom. This feels like a good fish. Oh no! He came unbuttoned. No, 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 no. Oh wow. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Please be hooked up. Oh wow. Oh. Holy smokes. I hope you guys saw that. This drag set pretty hard too. Holy. Wow. Oh, I hope you guys saw that. I hope you guys saw the planer board. Whew. This will be my first big fish if we landed on a Minotaur hook. So, all right, we got to keep him down, keep him out of the drift sock. Oh my God, he smoked this. This is a crappie head, or actually, yeah, no, this is a crappie head. I have the wiper head on the other side. This guy needs to be buttoned up. All right, there we go. Stay here, bud. Stay here. Sorry, you don't see my ho 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 ho. Woohoo! All right. Woo! There we go. All right, let's get him in the boat. Oh, there we go. That is what I'm talking about. Also, I finally get to plug Minotaur. I've had their hooks for a while now. I haven't changed my rigs because I'm lazy. So, but I've made sure I put at least one Minotaur hook rig in. Shout out to Randy. He's sponsoring the Not Marine National Trail in at Kerr Lake. So here we go, baby. These hooks are no joke. I've never used this style hook before. I'm kind of testing it out for myself for my first time. Shout out Catfish Sumo Dragon Weights. All these beautiful sponsors of the trail. Oh, don't flip, don't flip. Be gentle. There we go. Yes, yes. This guy's all of 30. We'll say. We'll call him at least 37 inches. We'll call him 37 inches, just to be fair. So we're gonna get this guy back out. I didn't bring my measuring board, but yeah, this makes me so pumped. All right, see you later, bud. Yeah. There we go. Oh wow, wow, wow. I was making an update. There we go. There we go. I was making an update to the leaderboard. And my kayak starts turning. This is the crappie head again. Now he didn't go peel and drag like the last one did, but I ain't mad at it. Anything that turns the kayak and makes a planer board go crazy, I ain't mad at. So I'm a big fan of standing and landing these fish. So I do apologize. I don't have multiple cameras going. So when I do stand to land the fish, you guys won't see me anymore. It's a sizable fish though. Man, if I was in competition, if I was in competition, I'd probably be in first at this point if I land this and if I don't miss the first one. Because that first one, very, very, very big fish. That second one was a big fish. We saw it. We haven't seen this one yet, but it feels like a decent fish. If this thing looks like it's over 35 inches, in theory, I could be first. And you might ask, like, why I'm not fishing the tournaments. These fishing events now, this is the Not Marine National Trail. This one's sponsored by my buddy who owns Chubby Fish. And, we gotta keep them out of the drift sock. And B-Cat planer boards, which I'm actually using right now. And I kind of have to do, like, where would I be? Because I don't fish these events anymore. There's too much money on the line. And if the admin does well, like, it doesn't matter how honest you are. If an admin wins money in his own event, that just doesn't look good. However, these are all my friends. They're all my peers. So I do want to, good fish. I do want to kind of still keep a semi-track of how I'm doing against them. So, ooh. All right, he's nowhere near as big as I thought. He'll be in the lower 30s for sure. For sure in the lower 30s, but I ain't mad at it. Yeah, definitely in the lower 30s. Actually, I might not be giving him credit. He might be all 33, 34 inches. I don't have my board on me, so we're gonna call him 33. He's conservatively 33. Another one on the Minotaur hook. That makes me pumped. I knew people who used Minotaur hooks before they sponsored, and I'll be honest, guys. Money's money, but also, like, I won't shill a company. So even if they sponsor our event, like, the product has to be good. I have to think the product's good. I'll never shill a company. So, all right, oh, fat guy. This would be a great under for the boat tournament. Fat guy. So we'll call him. No, we'll call him 32. So we'll say I have a 37. We'll say I have a 32 and a 21 right now, and a missed biggin. So I'm pumped. Yeah. I'll see you later, bud. Thank you. I love this lake. Hoover is. It's not underrated. It's properly rated. It just. I can't wait for other lakes in Ohio to become like this. Hoover has been getting stocked for a while now, and they're gonna start the program in 10 other lakes in Ohio. So I'm so excited for Ohio's future. This is fantastic. He's getting hit again already. There we go. There we go. Reeling down, reeling down. Doesn't feel as good as the last one, but another fish on. Just gotta make sure he buttons up. I really hope my other rigs start getting hit, because I don't want to have to change everything over to my Channel Cat rigs. So we are going to we're going to see if we can, for the filming purposes, see if we can turn around while we fight this fish. Hopefully get him underneath my drift sock. Oh, he's at the top spinning. It's just a baby. And tell me, so earlier today when I was cutting my wiper up, I dropped a piece in the lake, and I left this extra wiper at the house that we were staying at. I'm 99% sure the wiper got hit last fish. Oh no, it's the crappie. Okay, good. It's the crappie, good. Just a bitty kitty. We're just gonna flip this guy in. I didn't even bring my measuring board today, so even if I do catch a good one, I'll just have to guess. But at the moment, Andrew Green has a 21-inch fish submitted, and he's the only person with a fish. We would essentially be tied. All right. I ain't mad at it. We caught a fish. I put myself in position to catch a really big fish that just didn't hook up, so I'm satisfied. If I catch one more, I'll have a rough idea where I probably would have stood in the tournament. So yeah, I would like to limit with actual fish and not take guesses, but I judge success. I judge in when I used to tournament fish. I mean, because I'm the only guy running tournaments, so like when I used to tournament fish, I would judge my success based on, did I limit? Did I put myself in position to cash? Because if the winning score is 100 inches and I have 85, but I have a giant takedown that didn't get landed like earlier, well, I put myself in position to do well. Now, if I had 85 inches and I had no bites other than the 3 fish that I caught, well, then I didn't put my position to win. So that's how I judge my success. Everyone judges their success a little different, but let's get that bait back out there. All right, guys, Kayak Mike out of here. I'm gonna head back to the ramp. This tournament is going amazing. A ton of big fish are getting caught. We'll put the crappie in the beginning of the video. We'll do the catfish at the end of the video. There's still about 4 hours or 3 hours left of the tournament, but I don't compete anymore. I just host. So I'm going to launch, or go back to the launch and go get myself some lunch. I'm soaking wet and miserable, so the anglers, the guys competing, they can stay out here and be miserable. I'm gonna go be comfortable and get myself a coffee at a diner. Kayak Mike out of here.